How to make grapes juice. Today the video is about refreshing healthy grape juice. That is very easy to make. The recipe includes grapes that we can take any grapes. It could be grapes with seeds in them. It is perfect for the skin. Controlling blood pressure and maintaining cholesterol levels, we can take 1 bowl of water, pour 1 spoon of salt and pour the grapes into it. Wash them properly. We can remove the grapes and place them in another bowl. The things we require to make the juice are 3 spoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon black salt, 1 lemon juice, half liter water. 1 kg grapes will be placed in the grinder and then add the 4 tablespoon sugar. Then we can add the black salt and then we will add lemon in it. We can add water to it and then we can grind it. After it, we can also stain it to remove the peel of the grapes. We will have the juice and we can also place it again in a grinder and add the ice to make the chiller, or we can also make it soda. That is all up to us. The refreshing grape juice is ready to serve.